Over here at the agricultural stand, goddamn hydraulic clutch overheated. Wouldn't stop at the damn border sign. Yeah, on his way, and I couldn't get the damn sign. Unbelievable. Oh well. I'm in California now. We hit all the chapters, all the states. Now we're running for the finish line. Man, last night we pulled, how many miles out of Sacramento were we last night, man?
Probably about 70-something.
Yeah, 70-something. You know, we stopped break, people was falling off, we get rejuvenated and whatnot.
Last gas stop.
Last gas stop. Mr. Nate said, man, my leg hurt me, I'm gonna lay it down to the room. I said, PJ, man, can I roll with Nate? He said, go on, Rob.
Like a little kid running behind his granddaddy. I want to go.
I want to go. I get out there. I knew it was a setup because he was snickering when he said go. Man, we got on the freeway. I'm telling you, I was chasing tail lights for the last 60, 70 miles. I didn't want to attract too much police attention and whatnot, but this man was going. So we out there going and going. Downtown Sacramento, nighttime lot riding. He even stopped on the freeway, y'all, let me catch back up. We get to the room, and I said, man, what you got up in there? He said, man, little turtles, draft, something up in the engine. I don't know what it was, but I said, okay. So we talking about it, and then letting you know, the rest of the pack pull up. But I'm knowing we was doing 100 plus for the last 60 miles, the pack pull up. And then I said, and PJ just smiling.
Asked us how long we been there.
How long we been there?
That's what I asked y'all too.
I was like, he said, well, we been here a little bit. I had to wait for this young man to catch up.
About 15 minutes.
About 15 minutes.
Side of the freeway.
So this morning I revisited the conversation, and PJ said, yeah, Rob, they tried to run me down. They don't know I invented the run down. They ain't gonna run me down.
Right, that's what I told her,
Yeah.
I told her.
So-
I already know they friends.
So the run,
We was getting it, PJ, when we got on the freeway. PJ was gone. I said, nah, this shit ain't finna happen to me again like when we was in the mountains. Man, I downshift that motherfucker to the fifth. I said, it ain't working. Downshifted to fourth, we was gone. We was pushing about 100 and something trying to catch y'all.
yeah, because so the rundown is when a person or a pack or a group is ahead of you and you gonna run them over.
Right, now here it is. In my position, I know his frame of mind, so I ain't gonna get out there and get caught by a big ass pack.
Right.
So if I was in that pack, yeah, we love to run a little dude down thinking that he left early and go get there, big old pack blow by you 20 bikes and shit.
Yeah, and you gonna remember that.
You could have waited,
Yeah.
Right.
So what I want my leave to be worth leaving, not in vain. You know?
Exactly. So that's the definition of the rundown when they run you down.
Right.
Just telling you, that's what it is.